Can you use protection against self-incrimination to protect others involved in a crime? Have you ever wondered if you can use your right against self-incrimination to shield someone else from legal trouble? This question touches on important legal principles and civil liberties. The protection against self-incrimination is a personal legal right. It allows individuals to refuse to answer questions that could lead to their own criminal liability. However, this right is strictly personal and does not extend to protecting others involved in a crime. When you invoke this right, you are asserting your own liberty and privacy. It is designed to protect you from being forced to provide information that could harm you, but it does not serve as a tool to obstruct justice for someone else. If you are questioned about a crime, you can refuse to answer questions that would incriminate you. However, you cannot refuse to answer solely to protect another person. This principle is rooted in the idea that the privilege is meant to safeguard individual rights. It ensures that no one can be compelled to testify against themselves, which aligns with libertarian values of personal autonomy. Libertarians argue that this right is essential to limit government power over individuals. However, it is important to note that this protection must remain as personal to avoid misuse that could undermine justice. The law also makes a clear distinction between individuals and collective entities. For instance, if someone is acting on behalf of a corporation, they cannot claim personal self-incrimination privileges for corporate matters. Similarly, if two people are involved in a crime, one cannot use this right to protect the other from accountability. In practical terms, if you are asked about a crime, you can refuse to answer if it would incriminate you. But if the answer would only incriminate someone else, the privilege does not apply. This means that while the right against self-incrimination is a strong safeguard for personal liberty, it cannot be used as a shield for others involved in criminal activity. In summary, the protection against self-incrimination is a powerful legal right that serves to protect individuals. However, it is limited to the person asserting it and cannot be used to protect others from prosecution. This limitation helps maintain the balance between individual rights and the pursuit of justice in society.